If you're a bread lover who also needs to keep an eye on your blood sugar, today's video is just for you. We're diving into the world of bread and showing you the best options that diabetics can enjoy in moderation. From whole grain to flaxseed bread, we'll cover all the delicious choices that can help you manage your blood sugar levels. So, grab a seat, and let's get started. When choosing bread, it is important to check the nutritional information and ingredient list to ensure it fits into your dietary needs. Look for bread that is high in fiber and low in added sugars. Additionally, portion control is crucial, as even healthier breads can affect blood sugar levels if consumed in large quantities. 1. Whole grain bread. Whole grain breads, such as whole wheat, rye, and pumpernickel, are better choices because they contain more fiber and nutrients than white bread. Whole grain bread. Whole grain breads, including whole wheat, rye, and pumpernickel, are superior choices for several reasons, especially for individuals managing diabetes. Unlike white bread, which is made from refined flour, whole grain breads are made from flour that includes the entire grain kernel, the bran, germ, and endosperm. This means they retain more natural nutrients and fiber. The high fiber content in whole grain bread slows down the digestion process, leading to a more gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. This helps to prevent spikes in blood sugar levels, which is crucial for people with diabetes. Fiber also promotes a feeling of fullness, which can help with weight management, a significant factor in diabetes care. Moreover, whole grain breads are rich in essential nutrients such as B vitamins, iron, magnesium, and selenium. These nutrients play vital roles in overall health, from energy production to immune function. For example, magnesium is known to help regulate blood sugar levels, while B vitamins are essential for metabolism. Choosing whole grain bread over white bread can contribute to better glycemic control and provide additional health benefits. It's important to read labels carefully to ensure the bread is truly whole grain and not just colored or labeled to appear as such. Whole grain bread is a practical and nutritious option for those looking to maintain a healthy diet and manage diabetes effectively. 2. Whole wheat bread. Made from whole wheat flour, this type of bread has more fiber and nutrients than refined white bread. Whole wheat bread is made from flour that is milled from whole wheat grains, including the bran, germ, and endosperm. This composition makes it significantly more nutritious than refined white bread, which is made only from the endosperm. The inclusion of the bran and germ in whole wheat bread results in higher fiber content, which is beneficial for digestive health. Fiber aids in maintaining regular bowel movements, reducing the risk of constipation, and promoting overall gut health. It also contributes to a feeling of fullness, which can help with weight management by reducing the likelihood of overeating. In addition to fiber, whole wheat bread contains more vitamins and minerals compared to white bread. It is a good source of B vitamins, including niacin, thiamine, and riboflavin, which are essential for energy metabolism. Whole wheat bread also provides important minerals like iron, magnesium, and zinc, which play critical roles in various bodily functions such as oxygen transport, muscle and nerve function, and immune support. Another advantage of whole wheat bread is its lower glycemic index, GI, compared to white bread. Foods with a lower GI cause a slower, more gradual increase in blood sugar levels, which can be particularly beneficial for people with diabetes or those trying to manage their blood sugar levels. This slower digestion and absorption help in maintaining stable energy levels throughout the day. In summary, whole wheat bread is a healthier alternative to refined white bread, offering more fiber, vitamins, minerals, and a lower glycemic index, making it a beneficial choice for overall health and well-being. 3. Rye bread. Rye bread, especially those made with whole rye grains, can have a lower glycemic index compared to white bread. Rye bread, particularly those made with whole rye grains, is often recommended for people with diabetes due to its lower glycemic index, GI, compared to white bread. The glycemic index measures how quickly a food raises blood sugar levels. Foods with a high GI cause rapid spikes in blood sugar, while those with a low GI result in slower, more gradual increases. Whole rye grains used in making rye bread contain more fiber and nutrients than refined grains found in white bread. Fiber slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, leading to a more controlled release of glucose into the bloodstream. This helps prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar, making rye bread a better choice for blood sugar management. Moreover, rye bread has a dense texture and rich, earthy flavor, which can be more satisfying and help with satiety, reducing the likelihood of overeating. The high fiber content also aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut. Additionally, whole rye grains contain essential vitamins and minerals such as magnesium, which plays a role in insulin secretion and glucose metabolism. Overall, incorporating rye bread into a balanced diet can be beneficial for people with diabetes, as it supports better blood sugar control and provides valuable nutrients. However, it's important to consume it in moderation and consider the overall carbohydrate intake in one's diet. 4. Pumpernickel bread. This dense, dark bread is made from coarsely ground rye and has a low glycemic index, making it a good option for blood sugar control. Pumpernickel bread is a dense, dark bread traditionally made from coarsely ground rye. Originating from Germany, this bread has a distinctive deep color and robust flavor, which comes from the long baking process at low temperatures. Unlike typical rye bread, which might contain a mix of wheat and rye flour, authentic pumpernickel is made solely from whole rye grains or rye meal, giving it a unique texture and nutritional profile. One of the key benefits of pumpernickel bread is its low glycemic index, GI. The glycemic index measures how quickly foods cause a rise in blood sugar levels. Foods with a low GI release glucose more slowly and steadily, which is particularly beneficial for people with diabetes. The slow digestion and absorption rate of pumpernickel bread can help prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar, making it a healthier choice compared to breads made from refined grains. Additionally, pumpernickel bread is high in fiber due to the use of whole rye grains. Fiber plays a crucial role in blood sugar management by slowing down the digestion of carbohydrates and promoting a feeling of fullness, which can aid in weight control. The dense nature of pumpernickel also means that it tends to be more filling, which can help reduce overall calorie intake. Overall, pumpernickel bread is a nutritious option for those looking to manage their blood sugar levels effectively while enjoying a hearty and flavorful bread. 5. Ezekiel bread. Made from sprouted whole grains and legumes, Ezekiel bread is high in protein and fiber, and has a low glycemic index. Ezekiel bread is a type of bread made from sprouted whole grains and legumes. Unlike traditional bread made from refined flour, Ezekiel bread contains a variety of whole grains and legumes, including wheat, barley, beans, lentils, millet, and spelt. The process of sprouting these grains and legumes before baking is what sets Ezekiel bread apart. Sprouting involves soaking the grains and legumes in water until they begin to germinate, which enhances their nutritional value. One of the key benefits of Ezekiel bread is its high protein content. The combination of different grains and legumes provides a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. This makes it a valuable protein source, especially for those who follow a vegetarian or vegan diet. In addition to being high in protein, Ezekiel bread is also rich in fiber. The sprouting process increases the fiber content, which can help regulate blood sugar levels, improve digestion, and promote a feeling of fullness. The high fiber content also contributes to the bread's low glycemic index, GI. Foods with a low GI cause a slower, more gradual rise in blood sugar levels, making them a better choice for people with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar. Overall, Ezekiel bread is a nutritious and healthful alternative to traditional bread, offering numerous benefits due to its unique ingredients and preparation process. 6. Sourdough bread. The fermentation process used to make sourdough can lower the glycemic index, making it a better option than regular white bread. Sourdough bread is a type of bread known for its unique flavor and texture, but its benefits extend beyond taste. What sets sourdough apart is its fermentation process, which involves naturally occurring yeast and bacteria. During fermentation, these microorganisms break down some of the carbohydrates and gluten in the dough. This process not only contributes to the distinctive tangy flavor but also changes the bread's nutritional properties. One significant benefit of sourdough bread, particularly for people with diabetes, is its lower glycemic index, GI, compared to regular white bread. The glycemic index measures how quickly carbohydrates in food raise blood sugar levels. Sourdough's fermentation modifies the structure of carbohydrates, resulting in a slower and more gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. This slower digestion can help prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar levels after eating, making sourdough a more stable option for managing blood glucose levels compared to traditional white bread. Furthermore, sourdough bread often contains higher levels of beneficial bacteria and lactic acid, which may support gut health and digestion. Its higher acidity can also help slow down the rate at which sugars are absorbed into the bloodstream. Overall, Choosing sourdough bread over regular white bread can be a beneficial dietary choice, especially for those looking to manage blood sugar levels effectively while still enjoying bread as part of their diet. 7. Low-carb bread. There are various commercially available low-carb breads made from ingredients like almond flour, coconut flour, or flax seeds, which can be good options for people managing their carbohydrate intake. Low-carb breads have become increasingly popular among individuals looking to manage their carbohydrate intake, particularly those with conditions like diabetes or following low-carb diets such as keto. These breads are crafted using alternative ingredients that are lower in carbohydrates compared to traditional wheat-based breads. Common ingredients used in low-carb bread include almond flour, coconut flour, and flax seeds. Almond flour, made from finely ground almonds, is not only low in carbs but also rich in healthy fats and protein. Coconut flour, derived from dried coconut meat, is high in fiber and low in digestible carbohydrates, making it a suitable choice for those watching their blood sugar levels. Flax seeds, known for their omega-3 fatty acids and fiber content, add nutritional value to these breads while contributing minimal carbs. These alternatives allow low-carb bread to provide a texture and taste similar to traditional bread, making it easier for individuals to adhere to their dietary goals without feeling deprived. Moreover, these breads typically have a lower glycemic index compared to wheat breads, meaning they cause a slower rise in blood sugar levels after consumption. For people managing diabetes or aiming to reduce overall carbohydrate intake, incorporating low-carb bread into their diet can be a practical and satisfying choice. It's important to check labels for added sugars and to consume these breads in moderation to achieve balanced nutrition and blood sugar control. 8. Seed bread. Bread made with seeds, such as flaxseed, chia seeds, or sunflower seeds, can provide additional fiber, healthy fats, and protein, which help manage blood sugar levels. Seed bread refers to a type of bread enriched with various seeds like flaxseed, chia seeds, or sunflower seeds. These seeds are not only flavorful additions but also impart numerous health benefits. One of the key advantages of seed bread is its high fiber content. Fiber plays a crucial role in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugars into the bloodstream. This slower absorption can prevent spikes in blood glucose levels, which is beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar. Moreover, seed bread contains healthy fats, particularly from sources like flax seeds and sunflower seeds. These fats are predominantly unsaturated, which can contribute to heart health by lowering cholesterol levels. Additionally, the inclusion of seeds adds protein to the bread, making it more satiating and providing essential amino acids for bodily functions. For people with diabetes, choosing seed bread over traditional white bread can be advantageous due to its lower glycemic index and higher nutritional value. The seeds combination in the bread not only enhances its texture and flavor but also boosts its nutrient profile, making it a wholesome choice for overall health and blood sugar management. In conclusion, choosing the right bread is crucial for individuals managing diabetes. Opting for whole grain varieties such as whole wheat, rye, or pumpernickel can provide more fiber and nutrients compared to refined white bread. These choices can help stabilize blood sugar levels and contribute to overall health. Additionally, specialty breads like Ezekiel bread, sourdough, and low-carb options offer alternative choices that can fit well into a diabetes-friendly diet. These breads often have lower glycemic indexes and are rich in nutrients like protein and healthy fats, which are beneficial for managing blood sugar levels. When selecting bread, always check the nutrition labels for fiber content, avoid added sugars, and consider portion sizes to maintain stable blood glucose levels throughout the day. By making informed choices about the types of bread consumed, individuals with diabetes can better manage their condition while enjoying a variety of delicious and nutritious options.